Mama ngawire wanajeja kusoa ayikutendaya yakuteza ligogo wanachali babubu Mama ngawire wanajeja kusoa.
How is it? You know, culture is the core of our African humanity and hold some of the secret to life's purpose.
Exactly.
You know, there is no authentic autonomous identity outside of the culture that cradles it. It is certainly not National Geographic's image of drum beating Africans in glass case, or even CNNC national dancing naked Africans eating bushmeat. It does not exist, or even the choir player playing in European nightclub. It does not exist for the pleasure Western tourist. Like African culture is not a theme show at a Walt Disney exhibit. Too often the notion of Africans or black culture is viewed through the touristic culturally curious lens of Europe. So culture per UK's mission in Africa is tantamount to jungle culture. And it is also certainly not what blacks in urban America do on MTV base. Do you know MTV base?
I don't know. I don't know.
Do you like urban music?
Some people.
Okay. So today, it is almost impossible to conceive African culture. And it is also certainly not what blacks in urban America do on MTV base. So today, it is almost impossible to conceive African culture and not hear some drums beating and some guys jumping around the stage. Yeah, something like that. It is someone, not Africans, who define that as the total expression of African culture. So Africans continue to internalize that meaning. But in Ethiopia, culture is in the coffee region. In Mali, it may be tea region and camerizing. In Afro-South America, it can be seen in Capiro. Do you know Capiro?
Capiro?
Yeah.
Yes, I know it.
You know?
Yeah.
In Haiti, it manifests in volume. In Trinidad, in the steel pen. In Barbados, in the cocoa and flying fish. Something like that. So, my friend, I want to tell you something.
What?
You know, give me your hand. Give me your hand. You know, this is dark skin. So, listen it carefully. You know, dark skin is just skin with a high percentage of melanin. Sure. It does not inform anything distinctive apart from the social historical reality that people with dark skin, like you and I.
Like I and you.
Hey, you mean I and you? Yeah. Get treated badly. But beyond that, it does not define someone's value. Formation on your culture does that. And in absence of Asia, African designer clothing of this culture, blackness just absorb. The culture is the culture of the inventiveness and adaptation of African people. Since no continent can sponsor a culture, only people can. The physical continent, beyond environmental impact, is an negligible agent of African culture. You see?
I mean, kala tatu ya kuskulu hii. Yeah?
Yeah. Kala ya kuskulu.
Iwe. Ni mazuzike neyo upanga business kuti iwe uphunzire. Ukubezeka kuti kuskulu ko akuthamangisa ati somalo wa maklasi.
Akunama iwo. Iwo ora amango ndida basa amango.
Iwe kala iwali badali. Kala yesa ndukuza kuti achokera kuskulu.
Mwinango bila kango bangisa kuli mtuko.
Amin. Ndakwita nakangati?
Kawili.
kalata iwanena kuti analemba ndani
Sindikuziwa.
chifukwa chomwe iwe sumalowera mklasi ndi chake
Ine ndi malo ankalasi. Makungoti aziphunzitsa mandida. Ina mandida.
amada ngati aphunzitsano bwanji kalata iyi yabwepereka kwene ndeke do you know how much I spend on your school fees iweyo ngati ufuna ndi ine tizigwirizana pa khomo pano kuyambira lero ku skulu kusazapezekenso kuti ndikumva kuti waenda ni Nyamata ndisazalandireso kalata mwamvesa ndiponso iwe maskulu poti ako amafikira kuti kodi
Samandipasa ine maskuli poti. Amango asuka kuje kwa hedu samandipasa ine maskuli.
so sumanina mizi alembaso tumu mayeso iwe Amina ndikupanga tuzokuti iwe sogolo lako
Uje skuli poti sina bwesi fanyana kuti fees inanditeika mene ni maviro skuli. Tumbalao sketa ine naliyo banga lobo nena kuza fees cha ina ine nakwenda kwisaka saka fees osa ine sina manya kudala kumena
turuka
Ai, alikutendaya nakuteza chigugu walubali papupu mama ngawire wanajenda kusuwa. That's it. Put it in. Culture and economics for many nations are so normalized their relationships seem invisible. Zumba dance craze of medios which not only brings in fiscal worth but promotes Latin American music all over the world. A perfect example of a culture economic phenomenon. Where is West Africa in this market with so many culture dances? And where we see it? Where is reggae in this? And where we see it? Never. Africans in the theaters of benefactors economically. Beyond the overreaching hand of westernization. Many culture put their foot down in Monkaja's dream of globalization. To take what? To take the ownership of their spaces. And the Japanese practices, Japanese in modern workplace, they did not completely their base work ethos on Europe. Just because Europe brought technological gifts to Japan in 19th century. Convention of Kanagawa. And so why can't African attire? For example, be the formal dress code of governments of Kenya is the heavy three-piece suit and tie more in the Kenyan heat than African gabs. During Ethiopian 2000 millennium celebrations, male season, more traditional Ethiopian clothing on nation TV for the first time. The next day, the local clothing economic in Addis rose by more than 30%. This thing happened after Beyonce was shown on TV with full Ethiopian culture attire. And this man Veras came to the attention of the world when his design were worn by celebrities. And it created a status around his work. Now imagine, if Beyonce or Meros wearing the Ethiopian culture attire creates an entire boost internationally, designers international. If African leadership is not loyal market, what does that say about Africa's market? And this man, Thomas Sankara, came to power in Burkina Faso in 1983. He declared a local woven cotton the national fabric and required civil servants to wear it with a serious trade deficit. Anything which enhances local markets is a critical issue. Not to mention the psychological consequences of seeing Africans wearing their culture attire and refilming a distinctive African heritage, which makes Africa unique. And why also can't African food be served in all hotels in Africa?
That's question.
No. And why is Africa treated with a false dichotomy of modernity or culture?
No.
Especially when modernity is by word for Western culturalization. The real reason most Africans do not take the ethics and the aesthetic of this diverse culture and put them in modernity is due to mental slavery. See, African cultures are backward or impractical, but the truth is most Africans do not take the confidence of to seek meaningful applications and models for African culture. Put it chameleon change color to match the earth. Huh? But the earth doesn't change color to match the chameleon.
That's it.
Huh?
Yeah.
Never can you kina kake chameleon but
Oh, gaja.
Anga.
Nema kuimbira kujeni.
Chameleon.
Kamene gaja ndona kuti
Chifake akakalachiwa.
kuti ifendendo
Even though you are when you win.
Kuyeva jewa mojewa unene.
So what
So ifendaya.
Yeah.
Alimyao kabina waya.
Yeah. So no mundu osama manyazi ndichikadli cha.
Yeah.
So what is mundu osamadana nazo ya.
Ndeni kupuzise ndo kanyimbo ukulula. Teni kwaja mpele wani anganga tukauze anganga we ndokwete matenda kakupunda mangali wodi pakwenda jamani matenda kakupunda mangali wodi pakwenda jamani teni kwaja mpele wani
Anganga
tukauze anganga we ndokwete matenda kakupunda mangali wodi pakwenda. I need to ask you only 2 questions.
Only 2 questions.
You can. The first one is, how then can we protect culture when culture is not defined? How? That's question mark. How can you defend a territory that has no boundaries?
How?
You know, culture cannot float, or it would be meaningless at retaining its shape. And therefore incapable of sustaining its self-creating innovation. And we must always bear in mind. Bear in mind.
Nditu bear zambira pasi hapa.
Pasi birango. Mudu. Don't hangagalize. Yeah, we must always bear in mind. You know, culture is only as good as its function to living people. And either Africans take ownership and profit from their diverse cultures, like jazzy, breakdance, herbal remedies, or it will end up in the client books of other people. Yeah, you know, culture is a concrete social phenomenon which represents the essential character of particular nation. So let's go to about cultural laws. Cultural laws are about boundaries, maintenance, which fundamentally inform national morality, that in turn inform legislation and nationhood. And Africa's cultural faces are the passion to African self-definition. And if haphazardly toned down and replaced with untested immoral values. So, this is another question. What kind of death will that bring to Africans' humanity?
Tangu kamba somo bere.
Uganda bela kuno. Kana yami ngozela kuno. Amadu. Tinabisa nazo ndizama yine mundi basa ba 16. Lero ndi ba 22. Mundi ganza zona ngwe.
Kudiwe, nkhani ya tomato mpaka uzi.
Yeah, timenda kwa mfano drama ndio yine.
Ndi drama zingati?
Mukuzwa agenda musuli zakanga ndibona. Tugende
sikandi za amina za school fees. Ndipange so za iwe.
Yeah, amina ndo ndibala ogere simba langa amina. Ine ndibefuna bano ni drama yine. Iwewe ndi vudo.
Kudu tomato.
Yeah, dikagenda kuze. Iyo ndi vudo. Ukafuna zako ngwa ino mabwera manga mupwa bwino kwambiri. Ndikakwaza kumusa drama unafuna zikanga uzindi rushire. Nesimeze nayo.
Yeah, so nani mutazimvesani nkhani. Nkhani ya tomato ndokuti paka pochi atu azichita kuteve.
Yeah, aziwe chifenda bwera pano nguzoti amina kanga sofuna so usikana so ukundisha ngudeni zimene nayi.
Tamakani ya discipline. Ngongole ndinatingira kunseu mukubwera kunoko. Amapanga chonse.
Ino kusoso ubezeka masiku. Ino so mankama so nyumba, mankama so pa kompano pano. Maende enda masiku. Chimenda bwera pano ndindrama yaine basi pano.